I've got a good heat at the bottom there, so I might, I might sort of start those out while they're nice and hot, and then switch sides. That's, I don't know, it's an efficient way to work, work while you have the heat. The tools that I find really crucial for this are a staple, a little bending staple, and some bending forks. And I find these absolutely essential, especially, when you're doing this work where things are going in opposite directions and they're really close to a forge weld. It's really easy, even with these stuck, to just, peel one of those leaves right off of there. And if I have a staple, I can kind of lock in that material and keep that all together, and then use a bending fork outside of that to direct the bend, to these less vulnerable areas.
You notice we also have all the needle nose pliers and stuff up there. You never use any of those to just...
Oh no, I do, yeah, and I was going to say, the other tool that I find indispensable for this is a pair of scrolling tongs. And the other thing that's never too far away from me at any given time is a nice little pair of pliers.
Yep.
I think it's good to heat this all up really slowly. The grain of the metal is quite big. It could crack pretty easily if I work it too cold. Yeah, so this is where this really comes in handy, is that I can isolate my bend to an area that's less vulnerable. I'm pulling this leaf out of center here, but I don't want to pull it just away willy-nilly because I'm likely to break that forge weld. Sometimes it's necessary to reach in there with the scroll tongs. Refer to my drawing here. Something like that. Get a little more heat and bring this one around a bit further.